Hey Patriots, it's me. We just want to check in on that trade we made earlier that we were talking about and go over some of the indicators. As you can see, we've got a decent breakout above that resistance that many people are using and talking about in their videos. And in fact, I've already made a little bit of a sell out of my order so that, again, if you're going to play that trading game a little bit, you need to be doing those types of things when you encounter, resistance and you make, you sell off a little bit of your order. But anyway, stop preaching. So anyway, we're going to look at some of the other indicators. Now we got the MACD, and you can see we've got a cross back here, and the blue is well above the red. We're still below the zero line, so we don't have the strongest move, and we don't have a whole lot of volume coming in. But anyway, that's I'll take it for now, and we'll see if it develops into something more, because this could be a decent move. It seems like we're about ready for it, and of course, we're going to come around on the end of the weekend too. So we got Monday coming up. So I want to show you. See, that's the 1 hour time frame that we're on. By the way, I forgot that I made this video already once before. So let's check the 2 hour time frame, and you can see a similar story. We're below the zero, but we've got a widening gap happening now, and hopefully we'll be coming up out of that. Let's check the 3 hour, and this could be part of the retest, and then we tap down, do a retest, and come back and shoot up again. But yeah, we're below this. Everything's still below the zero line. Let's check the 4 hour. Yeah, well, it's turning around. It's turning around, and we also want to notice that the waves are getting shallower. So this could be a turnaround. This is one of the last ones, hopefully, before we move up. But then I want to show you something else. Let's take a look at my expensive indicator here, market SPY. There we go. Make it a little bit more visual, and we'll run down the same set of scenarios, only they've got more signals and just essentially buy signals. So you can see we've got a yellow buy signal essentially right there that you would have gotten from this indicator, which would have been right here, right? So that's slightly earlier than using the MACD, and that's the 1 hour. Let's go to the 2 hour. Okay, your best buy signal is the green pulse. Remember that at the bottom. So we already had one, and it's not going to print another one for a while. They don't do them, very frequently. But again, we've got shallower waves, and we got a buy signal there on the 2 hour. Right now, let's switch to the 3 hour. Yeah, we got a buy signal there on the 3 hour, and it looks like it's kind of hitching up, and it's wanting to stop. Like this is it, right? As far as going down, and you can see what's happening with the price chart. So let's go to 4 hour. So yeah, we even have a secondary. This is your second strongest buy signals. Are these yellow? These dots that I have. I paint them yellow. It's a little easier to see the yellow compared to the green sometimes, especially when it's up here. And it's being there's this green haze to it, so it's a little easier to see yellow. But you can see, as far as those green pulse signals, I'm on the 4 hour. Look how far back we'd have to go to get these prints for the indicator to print those. Now those are super strong. If we see those on a 4 hourly, let's see if we can look at the visual of the price on that. Where is that in time on the price? And we shrink right there. That's way back. Look how awesome that is. Boy, if you got in right there, you're real happy. You've been riding this all the way up, right? So you got all of this action, and we may not be done. This might be just a little dip, and we go for another big move coming. So anyway, that's what I'm seeing in the charts. And take care, everybody.